Yeah, right front. Buckle! Oh!
They're just playing.
Joe dove off the corner.
Oh yeah, look at it.
Oh, I just missing it. Need more video cameras.
Man, they're way out there. Hey. Oh, it's a barrel roll.
Barrel roll. We'll barrel roll into the wind just for starters.
They're really becoming active.
Little muffin. No peanuts up there, guys. Jeez Louise.
Look at her.
Let's go. Look at it. They're moving into that wind.
Come on, Buckle.
You see someone doing something great, tell me to pull off and go on to them, because I
can't. I guess see 1, 2, 3, 4. Is that 5 way out there? Is that 5 way out there?
The 5 will be talking to them.
You got 5 out though. Where's that? Where's it?
Somebody's in the trees. I just got somebody in the tree.
Alright, I got one in my hand. I see 4. I got 4 in sight right now.
I got 3 right here. 2.
So that's everybody. I just lost the other one.
Somebody just went this way. I see this guy here. Come on, there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Come on, Eric.
Sheryl knows where we are. Come on, please! Thank you, show this at all. Here they come. Come on, Sheryl!
All 5.
Binoculars, Daddy?
He's going the opposite direction.
Bro.
This guy.
Bro.
Come on, guys! Comes Buckle.
Well, they're way up.
Oh, it's Siren.
Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Man, it's up there. Come on, Ariel.
Where's
Come on,
it?
Bucko.
Where are they?
Flying too?
It's a great flying. You guys are doing good, but
How you doing?
you just said what, Rowdy?